Hello everybody and welcome to Augustus Explores the Microverse, episode 4. Today we are studying ferns. This fern sample has two parts, the Prothallia and the Sporangia. The Prothallia has a root. Prothallium is green, heart-shaped, small, and contains gametes. Gametes are female and male sex cells. The prothallium forms from a spore. The sporangium is where spores are produced. Ferns produce spores, not seeds. Spores appear as puffy dots on a fern. Spores are produced by fungi, algae, and mosses. And of course ferns, obviously. Their spores look like orangish, reddish, brownish. I don't know, but they look like orangish and brownish kind of thing. They look like a raisin or something. They kind of look like a raisin on a plant. Ferns can drop millions of spores on the ground, but only a few will find the right conditions to grow into a fern. Ferns are 360 million years old. They come from the Devonian era. I wonder that's why they call the gardens Devonian gardens. Maybe it's something to do with that. Ferns appeared long before flowering plants. Ferns were the only plants for millions of years, maybe tens of millions of years, in the fossil records. And that's a lot of time. There are 10,560 fern species known to man. Because we're finding new species every year, estimates should be 20,000 plus something like that. More maybe, I don't know. Some ferns are 2 to 3 inches tall, while other ferns are 30 to 20 inches, feet tall, but I'm not gonna do that because it's too tall for me. Parts of a fern include a stalk, a blade, and a frond. A fern's leaf comes off the axes and consists of a pinna and pinnula. The pinna is a leaflet, the pinnula is a subleaf. Under the ground, there's a rhizome and a root. Ferns suck up water and nutrients through their roots. A fern may have a fieldhead, which is, it looks like an instrument. The fieldhead is a frond that hasn't extended yet. Ferns can be located in tropical, temperate, and Arctic, although most of us will know them in tropical places. Most ferns like to grow in crevices, forests, and even bogs and swamps, or anywhere which shaded from complete sunlight. Some ferns can live up to 100 years, and that's a lot of time for me. A paradologist is the one that studies ferns. Thank you everybody for watching. Smash that like button. Please subscribe. And we have a secondary lab code, so if you want to send your kid up and have a video, we can arrange that. And we will be releasing episodes at 4 p.m. on Mondays.